Keeping New Zealand connected takes energy, and how we source that energy matters. That's why we've installed rooftop solar panels at our network data centre next to the One New Zealand Stadium in Christchurch. It's another major step to 100% renewable energy by 2030.
We're on a multi-year journey to make our facilities more sustainable and lower cost to operate. This solar installation is our first major step towards that.
We've installed 142 panels here. They're 580 watts each, and we have a three-phase 110 kilowatt inverter, and it's providing about 90 kilowatts of clean green power to this operational data centre.
As a telco, with technology changing, our consumption keeps on increasing. Electricity is becoming more of a substantial cost to the business, and doing things like we're doing here in Christchurch with the solar really do make a difference.
Partnerships like this with one.nz enable organisations to move faster on renewable energy, and on-site solar is a great way to reduce emissions and support longer-term resilience.
This is another way we're doing what we can where we can to support a better connected, more sustainable Aotearoa New Zealand for our business, but most importantly, for our customers.